Hi everyone. So in this video we'll talk about Kubernetes. From quite some time I wanted to do the certification on the Kubernetes, and I just find out that the Linux Foundation is conducting the biggest sale of the year, and which is about to end in 72 hours. So December 8 will be the last date to register for the certification. So I think this is a great offer, and I wanted to do the two certifications which are certified like Kubernetes Security Specialist and Certified Kubernetes Administrator. So this one is very popular among Kubernetes practitioners, and this one is the newest addition in the certification list from the Cloud Native Foundation. And both the certification are very important if you are in a cloud role or if you are in a DevOps role. If you don't know what is Kubernetes, you can go to this URL and read their documentation about Kubernetes. So basically it's a production grade container orchestration. This tool is very famous when it comes to containers, and it's the most popular tool or rapidly adopting to the large amount of companies. They are adopting to Kubernetes for their production tool. You can also read here in Google if you just wanted to search on Google. That's also fine because that gives a lot of information as well. So Google provides you the details, minimum details, but the documentation gives you the overall view of the application. So in order to register for the certification, you have to go to this website, training.linuxfoundation.org, Cyber Monday sale. So this is the link from where you can find out how you can register for the Cyber Monday sale. I will send the link is in the description. If you can directly come to this page and register for the certification. So in my case, I'm planning to do the certification, two certification. So I see they are also given 40% discount, or I think 60% discount on individual certification. So that means like if I just want to do the CK exam, I can get 60% discount. Normally this examination costs $300, but and $199 is because Kubernetes fundamental training they will provide. But if you just wanted to do the certification only, you can register the certification for $300. But because of the Cyber Monday sale, they are giving the training as well as the certification exam at $199. So yeah, so every single certification is for $199 with the training. That is good. But if you just wanted to go and register for the certification, so that is for 40%. I think 40% discount they will give for individual certification. See, individual training course and the certification. So you just can go for the certification. So you can click down on the cloud and containers, and here you can find individual certification. But in my case, I want to be administrator and the CK security specialist. So I'm just going to go with that. I have to go with the power bundle, which will give me the 65% discount. So I'll go with that. And the option out of this 5, the one which is suitable for me is the last one, which is Kubernetes fundamental training as well as CK exam and the Kubernetes security essential plus CK exam. Honestly, if I go for the individual certification like 40%, I will just get one common discount, and so it is better. So 300 is 600. If I go for the certification on the 40%, I will just get that. So for 349, I'm getting the training as well as certification, and I'm also get the swag. So I will mostly go with the cap. I don't want the Linux Penguin. So what's included in our training? So they will conduct the hands-on lab assessment and solution. They will give you the video tutorials, 12 months of access. So you have 1 year to take this exam, and if you fail in your first attempt, they will give the free exam retake as well. So that is good. So there is no stress. You always have the free exam retake for each of the certification. In my case, I will have the 2. And then we'll go here. So digital badge and the discussion and all that. So yeah, so 65% is quite a good. So So if you want to do the certification for the fun of it, or if you are interested in Kubernetes and you think this you are planning to move towards cloud, or the Kubernetes certification is very valuable in that case and want to learn eventually Kubernetes, so go for it. You will enjoy it. Of course, no certification can replace the practical knowledge of the subject. That should not be the expectation. You should not expect that you will learn everything real world scenarios if you just pass the certification. That should not be your expectation here. But this one will take you a long way on your learning journey, and a lot of companies will recognize you if you show the certification in the market. So let me just go with and do the certification here. So I have to click here. Let me just will just connect with the LinkedIn. So yeah, so just enter my LinkedIn password. So once you log in with your LinkedIn, it will directly send you to the checkout page. Here you can enter your code in the Power Bundle that you want to do for the 2 certification you are buying. So you can just enter Power Bundle 65. So if I apply this, I can get the discount on $349. So this is how the discount will be applied. I'll just go with the enter payment information. You just have to enter your card details. My card details are here. Yeah. So finally you will land at this particular page, the Linux Foundation training. Thank you for your purchase. Below is the confirmation of order. So our purchase is done. Okay. So they have sent this notification. So this page, it says thank you for your purchase. Below is a confirmation of your order. So Cyber Monday Power Bundle and all this. So you can download and print a receipt from the purchase history, a link in your portal. So let's go for the view portal. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can register. Oh yeah, so I can see my certification here, my CKS certification, my training, security essential training, and so access expire December 7, 2021. Access expire e-learning runs on Jan 8/20. So this is a quite new certification, as I said. So they don't even have the training of it now, but the fundamental is there. So we can start our training and then we can do our certification. The certification is valuable, hence the reason I purchased this, and I think it will be beneficial for me in the long run for the Kubernetes, because this certification lasts for 2 years or 2 or 3 years. So that is a quite a good amount of time. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, found it useful, you can like my video, and if you find something irrelevant, you can dislike it. If you have some suggestion for me to provide, or if you want me to cover some extra topics, then please comment in below. To like and subscribe to my channel to get more cloud and DevOps related tutorials. Thank you for watching.